In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install One UI 8.5 beta on your Samsung S23 step by step. Plus, we'll explore all the new features so you can decide if it's worth installing. Make sure you watch till the end. There are a few important warnings that could save your phone from serious issues. Welcome back to Life Facts Hacks. If you love Samsung tips, hidden features, and smart tech hacks, you are in the right place. Let's jump straight into installing the One UI 8.5 beta. Before we start, here are a few important things you need to know. This is a beta version, meaning it may have bugs. Some apps may not work properly. Battery life might be unstable. You could lose data if something goes wrong. So always back up your phone first using Samsung Cloud or Smart Switch. To install One UI 8.5 beta, make sure your phone is updated to the latest official software. You have a Samsung account logged in. You are in a supported country. You have at least 5 GB free storage. First, open the Galaxy Store or Play Store and search for Samsung members. Install or update the app. Open it and log in. Once inside the app, look for a banner that says One UI 8.5 beta program. If you don't see it, go to Notices section or swipe through banners. If the banner is not showing, the beta might not be available in your region yet. Tap the banner. Accept terms and conditions. Tap Enroll or Join Beta Program. Now go to Settings, tap Software Update, tap Download and Install. You'll now see the One UI 8.5 beta update available. Tap Download. Wait for it to finish. Tap Install now. Your phone will restart and install the update. This may take 10-15 minutes. Once your phone turns back on, congratulations. You are now running One UI 8.5 beta. Now let's explore the exciting new features. Samsung just made One UI even better. If you are still using One UI 8, you might be missing out big time. Because today I'm showing you 50 reasons why One UI 8.5 is better, and trust me, some of these will surprise you. Speed and performance. Let's start with performance, and this is where you feel the difference instantly. Faster app launch, smoother animations, better RAM management, less background lag, improved gaming performance, faster UI transitions, reduced overheating, more stable multitasking, optimized CPU usage, better battery efficiency. It just feels faster in every way. Battery and power. One UI 8.5 seriously upgrades battery life. Adaptive battery AI improved. New charging limit options. Smarter background app control. Less drain overnight. Better screen on time. Faster charging optimization. Power saving mode upgraded. App usage tracking improved. Thermal control improvements. Battery health protection. Design and customization. This is where things get fun. New AI wallpapers. More lock screen widgets. Better clock styles. Smoother icon animations. Improved dark mode. More color palette options. Customizable quick panel. Better widget stacking. New fonts and styles. Cleaner UI layout. Smarter AI features. Enhanced AI suggestions. Smart replies improved. AI-powered writing assistants across apps. Your phone now understands context better, almost like having a built-in assistant. Improved battery optimization. Adaptive battery now smarter. Background apps better controlled. You will notice more consistent battery performance over time. Faster performance and animations. Smoother transitions. Faster app opening speeds. Reduced lag, it just feels faster. Everything flows better. Enhanced customization. More lock screen widgets. Better always on display option. Expanded themes and color palettes. You can personalize your phone more than ever before. Improve privacy and security. Better permission controls. real-time privacy alerts, app tracking transparency upgrades. Camera improvements, faster shutter speed, better night photography, new file and multitasking features, improved split screen. Drag and drop enhancements, better file management UIs, connectivity and network improvements, improved Wi-Fi stability, better Bluetooth connectivity, faster data switching. Smart suggestions everywhere. Your phone now suggests actions based on usage patterns like reminders, app shortcuts, and more. Here are some issues you might face. App crashes, battery drain initially, heating issues, banking apps not working. Solution for these: restart your phone, update apps, or wait for next beta update. If you don't like the beta, use Samsung Smart Switch on PC. Downgrade to official version, but warning, this will erase your data. So backup is important. If this video helped you install One UI 8.5 beta successfully, don't forget to like the video. Comment if you have any issues. Subscribe to Life Facts Hacks for more Samsung tips and hidden features.